off of the edge of the canyon. We used basically an air cannon and launched the Corvette into the water down below. We did it where the stunt guys jump into the water from the same platform.
Here we go. Set, 3, 2, 1, go!
And then we launched the Corvette as a separate pass for safety. And then marry the two in post. Once Ben and Paul come up from the water, that's them. We photographed both of those guys at the actual quarry location for their coverage of their close-ups while they're falling through space. We are using green screen. We put the Corvette onto a motion base and robotically control its motion to simulate what the falling car does when it's traveling through the air.
So whatever they did, on the train unit sequence, we need to then insert Van and Paul and our other actors.
3, 2, 1, action!
Do that. Effects built a gimbal. We had our train mocked up. We had all the same elements, just now it's stationary. We could then control the environment, concentrate on story and the actor moments without having to worry about them in danger.
I've had friends come out and visit, and they're like, "You kidding me? This is what you do for a living?" I'm like, "Yeah, would you think it'd be any other way?" This franchise especially, you get to play every day. And 10 years later, I'm still doing stuff that I hadn't touched before, I hadn't seen before. It's unbelievable.